With the Wireless Mini-Clik Sensor, you don't have to worry about visible communication wires or limits on wire runs, like you would with wired rain sensors. Installation is a breeze, requiring only one person with no wire runs or wire hiding. With unpredictable and often extreme rain events increasing around the world, equipping your irrigation system with a rain sensor is a smart move. It's an easy way to prevent overwatering to keep outdoor living spaces looking their best. The reliable and cost-effective Wireless Mini-Clik Sensor is equipped with advanced moisture detection capabilities. Ideal for use during light or heavy rain conditions, it allows watering to continue until a preset level of rain has fallen. This ensures adequate irrigation and prevents unnecessary stress on plants due to skip cycles. The preset rain shutdown threshold in the Wireless Mini-Clik is the same as in the wired model, 1/8 inch, 3 mm, to 3/4 inch, 19 mm. The wireless model also offers innovative quick response technology to immediately shut down irrigation the instant rain is detected. To enable this setting, open the chamber by removing the silicone cover. In addition to rainfall detection, the Wireless Mini-Clik offers built-in freeze sensing, which halts system operation if the air temperature drops below 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius. This prevents water waste and keeps roads and walkways ice-free. For a visually appealing installation in any setting, you can mount the sensor up to 800 feet, 263 meters line of sight away from the controller. To minimize maintenance, the long-lasting batteries only need replacement after 5 full seasons. Mounting the sensor is easy using the included rugged polycarbonate housing and metal extension arm. Or you can mount it using our convenient gutter bracket, which minimizes wear and prevents rusting. Best of all, the Wireless Mini-Clik is compatible with all AC-powered Hunter controllers. It also works with most brands of normally open or normally closed irrigation controllers, making it a useful add-on in any setting. If security is a concern, install the Wireless Mini-Clik inside the pole-mountable stainless steel wireless sensor guard. You can also opt for the pedestal mountable receiver guard for added protection. Looking to upgrade your current sensor for maximum water savings? Simply swap out your old model for a Wireless Mini-Clik sensor today. The Wireless Mini-Clik Sensor is a highly efficient tool to reduce homeowner water bills and keep landscapes healthy. The sensor ensures peace of mind because it helps the homeowners avoid the hassle of manually shutting off sprinklers when it rains and turning them back on. The sensor also protects outdoor living spaces. Lawns in rainy climates are often overwatered, leading to nutrient loss, plant disease, shallow roots, weeds, and an increased need for fertilizer. The Wireless Mini-Clik sensor simplifies control by regulating water schedules on any irrigation system and saves money by making sure that the irrigation system only runs when needed. Finally, the sensor extends the lifespan of the system. By installing a sensor, irrigation sprinklers water less often during the rainy season, so they last longer. The Wireless Mini-Clik Sensor is a simple yet powerful tool that maximizes water savings, maintains healthy landscapes, and protects the environment from harmful runoff. Learn more at hunterindustries.com.